Solve this system by elimination. Scale the x terms to 42x and negative 42x, so they cancel when we add. Multiply every term in the first equation by negative 6. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Multiply every term in the second equation by 7. Multiply the x term by the same factor. Now multiply the y term by that factor. Finally, multiply the right side too. Add the aligned equations. The opposite x terms cancel. The x terms cancel. The y terms combine to 85y, and the right sides combine to 85. Divide both sides by 85. That leaves y equals 1. Use y equals 1 in the first original equation. Replace y with 1. The remaining x term equals 63. Divide both sides by 7. X equals 9. The solution is x equals 9 and y equals 1. It makes both original equations true.